I'm standing on the RV pad. There's the back left side of the house. Front of the house face those woods, which we're going to have to clear somewhat so you can actually see it. With a side entry garage. And there's a little side porch there, so you can get to the house, to the RV garage easily. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. This is the front yard of the house, which has to be cleared and more dirt brought in. So here's the front of the house. That's the guest bedroom. Got a little shed metal roof over that. That's the front porch with the gable entrance. A little bit more porch, which will be flat next to it. And then garage with the little shed roofs, 2-car. So let's go take a look inside. Nice size front porch. These pillars are going to be encased around the bottom with stone. There will be stone all along the skirting of the house. And we're going to have a single door with side lights. This is the foyer, which will have a tray ceiling in it. This is the office. There's the closet for the office. Coming back out to the foyer, a little further down, there's a coat closet. There's a bathroom, and this is a guest room. Guest room, we ended up with bigger windows than we thought we were going to have, but I think it'll be pretty, lots of light coming in. And there's the closet. These are all 9 foot tall. And it has its own private entrance to the bathroom, which will have a 6 foot tub and shower. Toilet over there. And I'll have a linen closet and a sink there. Then I can walk back out into the foyer. Then we come to the living room, which is 10 foot with tray ceiling and 16 feet of sliding doors. Fireplace over here. Big screened in back porch, 10 foot tall as well. We'll have our grill out here as well. That's for power for the recliners. That knee wall is going to be for our island, which is I think about 10.5, 11 feet long. This is a dining area. This will be the kitchen. Along this wall, we'll have the range in here. Sink will be over here in the island with the dishwasher, compactor, and trash rollout. Over here will be like a coffee bar area, microwave, refrigerator. Coming through this hall, we have the pantry with a window in it, about 11 feet long, a little over 5 feet wide. And this is the primary bedroom with the slider door to go outside in the back. And then we'll have a barn door here to go into our bathroom, which will be right here, double sink, toilet behind the pony wall. This is where the shower will be. And this goes into our closet. So this is our closet area. Across from the toilet here will be a linen closet, and there will be a pocket door here going into the laundry room. And this laundry room has a door that goes outside to a little porch that'll take you over to the RV garage. And then from the laundry room and from the garage, here is the mudroom. We'll have an extra refrigerator and storage, dog feeding area and such here, and then right back into the kitchen. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.